What's up, guys, and welcome to the final time that we are going to be fucking around with the BMW. It has been a long time coming, this video. It has been, to be honest, an absolute massive ball ache.
Knowing that we could just work on weekends on it.
Yeah, we've only been able to work on weekends on the bike. It needed a bunch of new stuff.
It still needs the paddings on the side.
We still need to put the paddings on the side of the tank, but it is 99% finished.
99.9.
99.9, and we haven't started it yet. We haven't started it up yet. This is going to be the moment of truth. This bike hasn't run since February, right? It hasn't run since February. And what is it that we've done? We've had to place a new front brake master cylinder in there, new reservoir, because the other one was manky as arse, new indicators, just because the old ones weren't working properly. I've done the brakes. What else have we done, Gabi? We've had to replace the battery. We put new indicators on the back as well because the other ones are all corroded. We've had the tank off. We've been replacing everything on the inside, pretty much all the internals. We've replaced the flasher relay unit on the inside of the bike because none of the indicators were working. We've basically done a bit of a clean-up of the bike as well.
I mean,
look at that brick engine. New fuses, everything, because the old fuses were buggered. You can hear Leo just losing his shit inside. Leo! Shut the fuck up, dickhead. Cleaned up all the pipes. I've contact cleanered everything. Put those on now. It's been sitting in my horrific hole, or my mum's, actually. This is my mum's house, but that's like a storage shed which the bike's been in. It's really bad. It's looking sexy.
Oh, fuck.
What?
I put the wrong one.
Put the wrong one? I think that's been a running theme on this whole thing. It's like, oh, I put the wrong thing on the wrong thing.
I'm gonna be able to do it. Next fucking Christmas.
Next fucking Christmas.
Look, even the birds are happy that this fucking bike is done.
What's funny, you see all those motor vloggers like chase on two wheels, and he has like the most sexy garage alive. Like, it's just huge. And mine's a fucking wooden shed. Okay, moment of truth, Gabriella. Oh, this bike's been a running theme of this bike is way too heavy for you, isn't it?
Like, I'm literally tiptoeing.
Literally tiptoeing. Headlights work, that's like a good sign.
Ow! Okay. Ready? Ready?
Yeah, you got the kickstand down, by the way.
Oh, it doesn't matter. Ready?
Yeah, go on it. Oh my god! She's alive! How'd you feel?
You know what I feel? Like I deserve with you a fucking spa. And, I don't know, being in a fucking robe.
I feel like we deserve a beer. I feel like we deserve a beer this evening. Beer o'clock?
You know what I would love right now?
What?
I think we deserve to be in a pool with a beer. And we don't have a pool, but we have a beer.
Yeah, we can have a pool of beer.
You know what we should buy?
An
inflatable pool.
And fill it with beer.
No! Put it in our garden, bitch!
So you want to buy a kiddie pool?
Yes!
Like a kiddie paddling pool, we can just sit there with a beer.
England, what are you doing? We should get those round ones like this, you know? That you jump in like this.
Like what?
Like...
Get a kiddie paddling pool, I'm just going to be lying back in there with a beer on my belly, with my hat down, sunglasses on. Shall I take it for a quick run down the road?
No, why you?
The bike. Because you're wearing flip-flops.
Well, babe, it's not fair!
I'll tell you what, I'll take it down to the less bumpy road.
I tell you what, tomorrow I'll put jeans, nice thing, nice shoes, and I ride it.
You just don't want me to ride it first. You fucking like your little competitive toddler. You can't even push it forwards.
Are you fucking serious? I can't.
This is part of the reason why we need to get a smaller bike for Gabi. Do you want a man to do it?
It works perfect, actually.
Yeah, it works pretty good, huh? And rebuilt the whole fucking cylinder today. Yeah, this thing weighs a metric ton. They call it the flying brick, don't they?
It's not a joke, I was not joking. Like, I can't fucking push it unless I put all my strength and soul on it.
Before you guys start moaning, oh, you're not wearing a helmet. It's a private drive. We have about a mile of it.
Well, it works. Oh my god, I thought I was never gonna finish this bike. This was a long journey. I thought I was never going to finish this bike with Freddie, but thank God he also has patience and we did it. Now he's coming back, I think. Let's find him. Here he comes. I actually don't know if I want a beer or a gin and tonic. Oh, what a fucker. He's gone. Sounds good, eh? I can't believe how good it looks, this bike. It's so annoying that it's so heavy and so tall for me.
God, what a day. Absolute mammoth of a day, to be completely honest with you. What is good is that the bike is done and we're so happy. Basically, we finished everything that we can do ourselves. The next step is for it to have an MOT done, which is like, for you guys who aren't from the UK, it's like the yearly check on a motorcycle to make sure that it's, you know, works fine, satisfactory, all that good stuff. It's been a long slog, to be fair. It hasn't been done since February, which is a long time, but you know, we're so happy. You can tell that I'm knackered right now. To everyone who's new on this channel, thank you so much for subscribing. We got, for some reason, the YouTube gods have shined on my videos, and we did really well last few days. It's been mental. I look forward to having you all on the channel, and you know, it should be good. So dual vlogs will be coming soon. Dual vlogs are coming really soon when we're going to do the MOT next week. So then Gabi should be, theoretically speaking, touch wood, everything will be done by Sunday next week. So then we'll be able to get finally everyone on the road. But check this out, I cleaned my ninjutsu today. Look how fucking spicy she is. Funny thing is, right, that a bird pooed on my bike and I can't get in there and clean off like just the inside. So there's always going to be a little bit of bird poo on my bike. It's just one of those things, I guess. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Please do hit that subscriber bell if you haven't yet. Just down there somewhere. Really important you do that so you can stay up to date with our content now. As basically, this is Gabi and my channel's like the same bloody thing anyway. Let me know in the comments what you think about Gabi's BMW. I'd love to hear what you guys think of it. It's like chalk and cheese. Some people love it, some people hate. Let us know down below what you think about it, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace. Gabi, I need an adult. Gabi, I need an adult. Gabi, I need an adult. Twist it. Yeah! Fucking hell, Gabi, that's my bit. Not sponsored by Budweiser. Drink responsibly.